Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Join my little family. I would love to have you. Also, if you want to see more of my makeup looks and just connect with me more, follow me on all my social medias. They're linked down below. Today's video is going to be trying out this brow product. It's by Mia Adora and it's called the On Point Pro Micro Tip Brow Definer. Long name, but yeah, if you want to see my thoughts on this product, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I already started off with my base. I did everything except my brows and my lips because today I'm going to be going in with this new product right here. Mia Adora reached out to me and actually sent me this. It's their new product and this is called this is a long name, so I'm going to try to get it right. It's Call Me On Point Pro Micro Tip Brow Definer. Looks like this. They have 3 shades. It's light, medium, and dark, I believe. Yeah, they have 3 shades. So I ordered the medium one. I'm going to see how this goes today. We're going to be trying it out for the first time. So I'm going to open it up. It looks like this. It kind of reminds me of the Brow Wiz. It has a spoolie on one side and then the product on the other side. So I'm going to use the spoolie to brush up my hairs. It's a very nice spoolie. Okay, now I'm going to check out how the product is. It's very thin. Like, I think you can create hair-like strokes with this if you really wanted to, like in the front. I'm going to start to fill in my brows. So right away, I can tell that the product just glides on. I'm not really having to push too hard, so I think that's very nice. Yeah, guys, that's just like gliding on. I'm not really having to work super hard. Okay, I'm going to use a spoolie to kind of blend that out because it is going on like super pigmented.
Been feeling recently and feel now in a very long time. Like I feel whole again.
I feel like this is even creamier than the Brow Wiz, honestly. So now I'm going to use the tip to start creating some hair-like strokes in the front with a very light hand. Because this is gliding on like super smooth, so I don't want to look crazy. And if it is kind of messy, I am going to clean it up with some concealer, so don't you worry. Now I'm doing the other side, same thing, just creating my shape. I'm going to start creating hair-like strokes in the front like I did on this brow. Yeah, this thing is very precise. I created like the thinnest lines. Okay, so now I'm just giving it a brush one last time. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm just going to clean up these brows. Okay, so now I'm just going to pat that out.
Life is fleeting. And if you're ever distressed, cast your eyes to the summer sky.
Okay, so I finished my brows and my lips. This is how the completed look looks. Yeah, you can go on their website. It's miaadora.com. I have it linked down below. And you can purchase one of these. It retails for $14.95 US. It's very nice. I think I will reach for this if I'm ever like in a rush because it's really quick and easy. And it's also cheaper than the Anastasia brow wigs, and I honestly think it applies way better than those. But the only downside is that there is only 3 colors. There's light, medium, and dark brown. And also you can get it for even cheaper because I have a coupon code. It's 20 Nicole. I have it right here on the screen as well as linked down in the description bar. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're not. Join my little family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.